Hey everyone, welcome back to tenorshare. Whether you're planning to sell your iPhone, troubleshooting an issue, or just want a fresh start. If you're here, you're probably looking to factory reset your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to really factory reset your iPhone in 3 ways. Here is a step-by-step guide just for you, so let's dive in. Okay, now let's start with the easiest method, resetting your iPhone directly through the settings. The process is simple. Go to the Settings app, then to General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. You can see the Prepare for New iPhone feature here. Tap on Erase all content and settings. Then tap Continue and tap Erase iPhone. Then the erase process will begin. You may find a different option in different iOS systems, but the process is similar. Wait for the process to finish, and your iPhone will be restored to its default settings. If your iPhone isn't responding, or you're experiencing issues like a boot loop, you can restore your phone using Finder, iTunes, or the Apple Devices app on your computer. The difference with a restore is that it removes all software from your iPhone, downloads a fresh copy, and updates iOS at the same time. The 3 softwares are very similar in use. First, connect your phone to your computer. Then open the software that is available on your computer and go to the summary page and select Restore iPhone. And you can still back up your iPhone here if you want. Then it will download the firmware to restore your iPhone. It might take longer due to the iTunes service problem. If iTunes prompts you with an error during the download or restore process, your phone might get stuck in recovery mode or a boot loop. You can fix and restore your iPhone with ReiBoot. ReiBoot is a powerful tool that can help you repair and reset your iPhone, even if it's completely stuck or if you can't disable screen time. I will put the link below for you guys. Okay, after you download ReiBoot on your computer, you need to connect your phone to it. ReiBoot have factory reset option here. But if your phone have some system issue, I recommend you to do a deep repair. You can click the green Start button, then choose Deep Repair. The Stand Repair feature can fix your phone issues without data loss. You can try it the next time if you need it. But now, let's start the deep repair. You will need to download the matching firmware to let it repair your phone error-free. When the download is done, you can start the deep repair now. Deep repair will perform a complete reset, restoring your device to its factory settings. This can also update your iPhone to the most stable version of iOS. When the process is done, your phone will be back to factory setting, without any system problem. You can feel free to sell or give it away now. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.